Hi, I'm Digital Femme, and welcome to Overthink AI, the YouTube channel that talks about over the reality, the augmented reality metaverse, the artificial intelligence of things, and things that are going on in the Web3 space. If any of these topics interest you, then please feel free to subscribe to this channel, but don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Now, just so you know, this channel has just recently undergone a rebrand. It was previously called OVRland, the Ubiquitous Metaverse. The reason why I decided to rebrand it because I wanted to broaden the topics and not just to focus on over the reality. I felt that it was the perfect time to bring in topics about artificial intelligence. As a matter of fact, back in December 2015, I wanted to coin the phrase AIoT, which stands for the artificial intelligence of things. I hope you enjoy this channel, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon!